Hello everyone and welcome back to a waste-free world videos. What we do is give you options for plastic and waste-free products so you can stop using single-use plastic altogether. Today I'm talking to you about a really exciting new product that we've just got in at Waste-Free World and an amazing alternative to washing up liquid. So before I show you about the new product, I want to tell you about what I used to use and probably many of you used to use. To be fair, I think even maybe I was trying to be as eco-friendly as I could with this one from Waitrose, which is actually recyclable and cruelty-free. However, it does still come in plastic and also does say check your local recycling to see if it is recyclable. So we never really know if it is or not. However, many other ones of other brands we will not name are non-recyclable and have some very questionable ingredients. So it's no wonder why we're all looking for a plastic-free natural alternative, which is why we are so excited to have this beautiful new product in. So this is a dishwashing block from Nontox Life. It is vegan, it's palm oil free, it's cruelty free, SLS free, fragrance free and biodegradable. As you can see, this is literally how it comes. So that is the only waste that you're talking about. An amazing thing about this dish block is it actually lasts so much longer than the standard washing up liquid bottles we're used to. This block can last up to 6 months and is the equivalent of using 4 of these bottles. So one block is already saving the planet 4 plastic bottles which are never gonna biodegrade with this simple block. Another amazing thing is it's not just to be used on dishes. You can actually use it as a carpet cleaner, you can use it to take stains out of your clothes, and you can use it to remove labels off of the jar. It is very simple to use. All you have to do is rub a wet sponge or brush onto the block and then wash your dishes like you would normally. We are super excited to stock this product in a Waste-Free World. Really help people stop using those plastic bottles for washing up. Just use one block, lasts you so much longer, up to 6 months, and you really are making a difference to the planet. So you can get these blocks if you're quick, because they're running out of stock, on wastefreeworld.com.